is Fabian McLaren. I have been in the cosmetics, pharmaceutical and personal care industries for over 13 years now. Never before have we thought about cleanliness, sanitation, our surfaces, clothing and everything we touch quite the same way that we are forced to do so now. So Sunytizer was born not because there was just a need for another hand sanitizer company, but because there was a need to do things differently and to do things the right way. Despite meeting all FDA, WHO and CDC standards for hand sanitation and surface sanitation, we are still doing this on a small budget and we are a small business. We are doing the best we can during these times of hardship, and it's very important to us that we pass that saving on to as many people as possible. So it isn't just about keeping ourselves healthy, it's also about our children, our homes, our cars, everything we touch, including our animals and pets. That's why this line of products that we have developed and launching is going to be so important for people. All of our products have a very pleasant fragrance, but we do not use any synthetic fragrances in any of our products. Any fragrance that you do smell is a result of the natural antibacterial essential oils that we use. You've just gone out on a grocery run, you've gone to get some things for the family, and now you're ready to go back into the house. Sanitizing your hands and washing them when you get in the house may not be enough. So sanitize your hands, but also sanitize the surfaces that you're coming into constant contact with as well. So we've developed a product that is a moisturizing hand sanitizer, and it's not as difficult to do, even with a 70% ethyl alcohol solution. We are also giving it a 1-2 punch with natural antibacterials, some of the strongest available, so that you can immediately kill any bugs with alcohol and then leave a lasting protection on the surface. Okay, so many of us are quarantined right now, but many of us also have pets. We're still walking them when we can. Now, I don't recommend that you put ethyl alcohol, benzalkonium chloride, or anything as harsh as that on a dog. Not least of which that if they do lick it, it could be toxic to them. So we've developed a product that you can spray on your animals, dogs, cats, etc., that will keep them fresh and sanitize as well. So at the end of the day, you've washed your hands as many times as you needed. You've sanitized them with ethyl alcohol, because after a month or two of continually stripping your skin with alcohol, we're gonna start to see a lot of problems with your skin. What do you do to return some of the essential lost nutrients in your skin? Well, you need a hand recovery or a skin recovery cream. The formula that we have put together will continue to have antibacterial properties. Product is a must-have at the end of the day to protect your skin. We will never gouge anyone on products, and we will always over-deliver on the efficacy, strength and value of our products.